Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Foxy and this is Foxy Books and Planning. Today I have part one of my May sticker haul with you. And just so you know, the site or the shop that I've chosen to feature this month, hopefully if the stickers come in by the end of May, is RightBrain Paper Co. She has some really cool looking stickers and I'm really excited to receive them. But this is an order I made a couple of weeks ago when the shop was having a sale. So let's just get into it. And by into it, I mean here. Alright, so this is an order from Shop Jessica Hearts. She was doing one of her fairy tale sales that I think corresponded to one of the other big planner sales, and so I went ahead and placed an order for some kits that she had recently released that I really liked, and I was really excited to receive these. So first there's a little journaling card with a little thank you note and where to find her, and then I have a monthly kit and a weekly kit. So let's get into the monthly kit first. So this is the Forest Queen monthly kit for the month of June. And it comes with this little freebie that has a, so it was one of her fairy tale sales. So it has a little sticker of what I think is Rapunzel, and then some little label stickers that say clean my tower, have birds fold the laundry, brush hair with a dingle hopper, and try not to lose slippers. There we go. So that's really cute, and I really like that it goes with the kind of fairy tale theme. Our shop Jessica Hearts does a lot of fairy tale themed stuff and a lot of photo kits and a lot of original art that you don't find a lot of other places, and it's one of the reasons I really enjoy her shop. So the Forest Queen kit, so we have our top washi with our dates, with our days of the week, our paydays, and our date dots. And this is definitely a nice kit for June because it's still got those lush greens of spring with the pink. And I don't mind the pink as much here because I think it really fits with the kit, with the decor itself. And then we have the little filler boxes for the extra months that might be in the month. And there is also a little July at a glance box right there. And then we have our holidays for June, and then our appointment labels, that's what those are called. Then we have two boxes that I think are meant for the sidebar. So there's two fulls, and then there's some little kind of white labels and dots. They don't have anything in, but I think they will peel. They do. So kind of like blank thinner labels and dots and whatnot. Some headers for any of your boxes or sidebars. Some little icons for your appointment labels. And then the last page of the kit has some, I would call this crack washi, but here it's more like date markers. So if you have like a vacation or days off or something that's going to take a couple of days, you can use one of these strips to mark those days, and she does have them broken so the two top strips are full length, and then this strip, the third strip, is half, and then the bottom strip is in fourths. I normally use these to mark like days off, or if I'm covering for somebody's out of office, I'll use that as well. And then we have some bill dues, some canceleds, which I like those. I really like the change of plans. Some flags, and some boxes. If you just want to put if you have something big going on one day, you can just peel that off and stick it on and write whatever's going on that day instead of using a little appointment label. I really like this kit. I'm excited to use it. I will probably do a plan with me for this kit since it's been a while since I've done a monthly kit. Last time I did a monthly kit plan with me, was the last time I bought a monthly kit. So I am thinking of buying one for July as well to do for the first month of my new planner, which I will link the review of the new planner up above in case you haven't already seen that. And so with that, the next kit is called the Fairy Summer Solstice Kit. And I got this specifically for the end of July, which is my anniversary. So I was going to use this for my anniversary week. So let me see if I can find the full boxes first. Alright, so yeah. So here are the full boxes, and this is why I wanted to do it for my anniversary. Because I got lots of anniversary vibes from these pictures, especially the girl in the white dress and all the candles and everything. So that's part of the reason I purchased this. And then we have our bottom washi and then our little strip washies for filling in. Our little things, half boxes, more half boxes, flags, little icons, bill-dos. Our full heart checklists, our weekend banner headers, and I like the little headers, and I like how they're kind of all grouped, where she's color blocked them, so there are 8 days worth of 3 headers each, or actually 7 days worth of 3 headers each, and then 3 other ones, so you can color block your day, instead of having one of each color like some of the other kits do, and then the half boxes. And then finally we have some weekly trackers, some other headers that would work for the weekly trackers, a to-do list check blocks, the date covers, some more flags, some habit trackers, and some functional deco. And really, I really love the picture, or the way this kit is done, because it's sort of, I don't know how to explain it. I like the color palette because there's a very easy way that you could go very pink with this. And I like how she chose to stick with a lot of the greens and then the berry red and then the lighter kind of berry red. And it kind of just ties everything together. And the colors that she picked work really well with the full boxes. So I'm really excited to use that at the end of July. With that, on to the next part. Alright, we are now on to the second part of the sticker haul for the month of May. This is my featured shop, and let's just jump into it since I've already got the package open. Alright, so this package is from RightBrain Paper Co. I found her during one of the sales, and I have some stuff that I'm excited to see because I got 2 kits and some foil stickers. And part of the reason I'm excited about the kits is, one, there's a lemon kit. And if you've been around and seen some of my videos, you know how much I love lemon kits. And then in addition, so she recently reformatted. And so I have one old format and one new format. And I believe this is the new format, this Simple Life, and the lemon is the old format. Yes. So Simple Life is new format and Lemon Love is the old format. But let's start. Apologize for the dinging. I have a computer running and someone is messaging the crud out of me, but it can wait. So the first thing I got was a small package of these foiled stickers. I got these primarily to use in my daily work planner. So these are just some work from home stickers. They're on clear backing. It's clear backing and gold foil. And so these, I'm not going to use them right now because we're working from home indefinitely for my job. But the idea is whenever we do go back to working in the office, I will have hit enough seniority that I will get 2 regularly scheduled work from home days. And so I'm going to use these to mark the work from homes in the top part of the day. Be like, and this day I work from home and this day I work from home. But for right now, I'm not going to worry about these since we are working from home indefinitely due to the current health situation. But these are really nice. I'm really happy with them. It's really nice foiling work. You can see all of the little details and all of the letters. Nothing looks oxidized or maybe not completely transferred. Yep, everything looks good. So I'm going to put those in my work planner and I will let you all know probably in 6 months if I use these and how I think and what I think about them. Alright, so next up I'm going to start with the lemon kits. The lemon kit is the old format. I'm not sure if this is still available because when I bought this, it was a sale and I think she was trying to get as many of the old kits out as possible. But this is her Lemon Love Kit with silver foiling. And this is a weekly deluxe kit. And you do get to choose your foil color. So I chose silver since I do tend to prefer silver. With this kit, you probably could have also done rose gold and had it look really nice. I wouldn't suggest gold for this because of the lemon yellow, because lemon yellow and gold are pretty close to each other, but a rose gold would have been nice. All right, and so this is, it doesn't tell me what kind of paper, but by the feeling I'm going with either premium matte or just regular matte. But so these are the full boxes. Lots of lemons. I really, really like lemon kits, especially for the summer, because they're bright and happy and they do not contain pink most of the time. And then under that we have the washi strips, the date covers, habit trackers, weekly box, and then some small headers that you could use for the box. I love the use of foil as well because it's not crazy. Like some of the boxes are crazy foiled, but the foiled accents are really nice, and there's just a little bit of oxidation that I can see, but nothing super major, mostly on the long straight lines, which is something I would expect to see. And then we have the boxes, or the quarter boxes, half boxes, and skinny boxes, and the quarter boxes and half boxes have a line of foil on them, which is also pretty cool. And then we have our one sheet with no foiling, which is a bunch of word or script stickers with some glitter headers and the date dots. I like this as well because I like using these script stickers a lot if I'm doing a more simple in quotation marks, spread, because then I don't have a ton of icons cluttering things up. And if I wanted to use a box, I could put the script sticker on top of the box and have it kind of label what the box is supposed to be. All right, and then this is the last page. So we have another weekly ombre or weekly check box, a single full check box, some design washi that's got foil on it, a couple of skinny appointment stuff, a lot of appointment icons, and then some dots and some flags, and then these little 4 checklists. So I definitely like this for a more decorative spread and for a week where I don't have a whole lot going on, because I'm gonna have to pull in some checklist boxes, and it's gonna be hard to find checklist boxes that match. And I don't have a full set of the regular strip checklists. So I'm either going to have to find those, or I'm going to have to find a washi, which I do have some lemon washies I could use, but they've both got pink in them, as a divider between the work list and the home list. So that's kind of a bummer, but I do still really like the kit. It's a pretty big kit. It's fairly reasonably priced for a foil kit. And you do get a wide variety of stickers, and you could do a really, really good spread with this. And I think part of the reason she might not have a whole lot of checkbox or checklists is I think this is a horizontal kit. And I know a lot of people don't necessarily use the checklist boxes and the checklist things in there. They just kind of line up a bunch of boxes. But each person plans differently, and I'm sure I will find a way to make this kit work for me. All right, so that was the old format kit. So let's see what the new format looks like. What's the difference? So this, I can already tell, this is a much more standard kit kind of format because it has the 9 blocks in a square. Let me actually get this out of the package before I show you. And I'll show you compared to the Fresh Lemons, or the Lemon Love kit. All right, and this is on Premium Matte, and this is a vertical weekly kit. This one is only 4 pages, so it is smaller, but it is less expensive. All right, so she had this one, which is, I kind of call this the Scribble Print format because Scribble Paper Co is the one that I know really does this format. There are a lot of other popular shops that do this format as well, but I know a lot of shops also use this format because it gives you a little bit more control. There's more room for branding and whatnot. I also like this because this is the Simple Life kit, so it's very stark. There's no pinks. It's very neutral. So I can kind of do what I want. So we have the full boxes with the recurring tulip imagery and the candle, which I've never had one of these candles, so I'm not quite certain what all the hype is. If you know what the hype about these candles is, comment down below. All right, and then we have headers, which we did not have in the other kit. I don't think. No headers in the other kit, just the washi strip, or just the washi. And then we have half boxes and quarter boxes. Some are rounded, some are square. And we have the washi page, which is almost identical. Yeah, it's almost identical. The only thing different is that the date covers are in a strip now instead of kind of placed around. And some design things. And then we have our functional page, which we have one weekly box, one checklist box, the small checklists again, 3 habit trackers, some icons, and some script. Let's see. Thoughts. I think the kits are beautiful. I think they're really well done. I think it's going to be interesting for myself to see how I end up using them. So let's see if I can get them. Because it's not all of the things I would need in a kit. And for those of you who maybe this is your first video with me, normally when I do sticker spreads, I do deco boxes, 5 checklist boxes, and then I'll have 5 strip checklists. And so I normally look for kits that do that, but this is a much more, RightBrain Paper Co seems to do a much more decorative spread and a much more simplified kit. So you could pull in things that you've already got, or trying to use up some of your excess stickers. And there isn't as much functional stuff, which I also do appreciate, because one of the things I find the more I plan is that while I do love my functional icons and things, there are some spreads where I just don't want to use them, and so I like how there's a break, or not a break, a mix, that's the word I'm looking for, between script and icons. And I definitely like in the new format how it's kind of half and half, instead of having almost a whole page of script stickers and then almost a whole page of icons, because that way you get the best of both worlds and there isn't a whole lot left over at the end. That being said, this is all I have for the month of May. Please remember to like and subscribe, comment down below if you liked any of the things I showed in this video, or if you have any shops that you think I'd like to check out. If you're a sticker shop, go ahead and send me a direct message. I'm always happy to buy something to review. And with that, I will see you all in another video.